cool old house on campus. Let's see what it is. Edgar Hall. Alright. Go ahead.
Where's Mom?
I don't know. She went off exploring another way. It says elevator and stairs. Let's see. Alright. Here's the restroom.
Elevator.
Okay.
Mom's here.
Yeah, Mom found us. Good. There we go. Gerber.
Good. Don't see those very
I
often.
didn't see very many Gerbers. Go give it a flush.
Good. Wait for Mom. Mom.
It's a Gerber, Mom. He wants you to see it.
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
Look. Look, Mom.
Oh, yeah, Gerber. Yeah, there's an elevator here.
There gets in the sink.
Small elevator.
This might be the one I saw.
Mhm.
If there's a downstairs connecting hallway.
It's tiny.
It's like a 1970s Westinghouse. Maybe even older, but 1950s.
Westinghouse.
Mm-hmm.
Westinghouse.
I bet. Definitely been modernized.
Four. All the way to the top. What kind of building was this? Second Empire.
Oh, yeah.
ETI.
I've built 7 empires.
Me too. We're in a Second Empire building. The indicators don't work.
No, they don't stay lit. Oh, they're too lit, but the rest didn't. That's funny.
What's to it?
All right, let's see if there's a bathroom up
What?
See all these Westinghouse. The number 2 lit up.
there. No, this is just a storage. Just a storage.
That's it. Going back down. That was a cool elevator, though.
Let's stop on 2
Oh,
or 3
look.
and go down to B.
Try B.
Stop on 2. Stop on 2, see if there's another restroom, and then we'll go down to B. Go. Push it.
There might be an older restaurant at B.
Or 2. Oh, that's shit.
What do you think of that chime drink? Do you like that?
Good one.
All in the restroom.
Old sinks, but maybe a new Gerber potty.
Nope.
Oh, Vortens.
Vortens. Don't even see that.
They got just all sorts of random potties, huh?
Yeah, they.
Give it a flush.
Watch your coat, please.
Watch your go, bud.
This is square. This is
Look at the
square.
flusher, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
That, I'm the first thing.
Oh.
It's a small kitchen.
Little kitchen. All right, going back down.
Tiny kitchen.
Okay, back down. Oh, there we go.
Down to B.
Push it.
All right, that's enough of that.
Gotta be gentle with these old buttons, buddy.
2, it's a
Mm-hmm.
ding. 1. 1. Ding.
That's one.
Ding.
There we go. 2. And then look at this. This does connect.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the one I saw out the window. That connects to the other building.
Okay.
All right.
Let's
Say bye-bye.
say bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. watching. Please subscribe to my channel.